Hi everyone, this is Rene with whyamigreen.com, and today we're going to have fun. I'm going to show you one of my new plants I've never grown before, a Chocolate Maruga Scorpion, Trinidad Scorpion. So we're going to talk all about it and I'm going to try it. So come on over with me. These are all my hot peppers over here, but I have the Maruga, sounds like an old-fashioned cow horn, separated right here. This is the Chocolate Maruga plant, and I have them all growing in grow bags, as you can see. And let's go ahead and, that one's dark, which one do you think? Maybe this one's a little darker. We're going to go ahead and pick this one. Okay, now they're supposed to be all this color, at least online they show that, but they've been brown for so long I didn't want to wait too long. I want to try it before, just in case it goes bad or something. I just can't wait to try it. This is one of the Trinidad Scorpions, so it is very hot, just down from the Reaper. They're actually 2 million Scovilles on the Scoville scale. 2 million. Okay, so let's go ahead. I want to show you inside what it looks like. And use gloves if you do this on your own.
And you don't have any.
I am a professional, and I want to. And my camera person is already coughing. If you want to get over here so you don't cough so much, or okay, you can get right there. So, just want to show you the inside of it. Okay, and here we go. So, what I'm going to do, I don't know what it's like, so I'm going to try this piece here. Only 2 million Scovilles. And I want to cut this open a little bit more so you can see it better. All right, let me. Has very good heat. When you first put it in your mouth, it's kind of sweet. Takes a few seconds. The fumes are strong too, as a camera person can attest. Takes a few seconds. Elizabeth, I'm coming. And I would say it kicks like a mule, but it stings like a scorpion. As you know,
I didn't have any.
What makes the pepper really hot is the Caspasian. And when I cut it, I ate quite a bit of that. I'm not going to eat the rest of it. My mama didn't raise no fool.
Is it really hot?
Yeah, it's really. Right now, my tongue, all over. I've got to watch it with a knife.
Yeah.
The base of my tongue and my throat are on fire. And Lucas trying to get out of that corner because
yeah, it's too much for me.
Are mingling. It is a good taste. It's not something I put in my omelet in the morning. Now the burn is going right down my throat. So I'm going to put this down before I touch any juices. You can see it's a very nice. It's a very nice looking pepper. And if you'd like to come over for dinner, we can have some deep fried. Wouldn't that be a surprise? Bait and switch. Come over with some fried peppers. Kind of like, we'll call them chocolate poppers. But that's what it looks like. There's the plant, beautiful plant. You can see it's still got some more going in there. Chocolate Maruga. Got to get yourself some. Go ahead and try growing them. They're a lot of fun to grow, especially when they start to turn brown. Beautiful color. So, thanks for watching, and remember, if you're not growing, you're not green. Bye-bye now. Okay. Well, I'm just going to videotape it now so you can see what I'm looking like. This is behind the scenes. Oh. Oh. The sun will come up tomorrow. Whatever it is tomorrow, you'll still be alive. Ah.
Yeah, it's ready.
Final thoughts. Just finished off the ice cream. I thought that was it when I was out there. It's been about probably 15 minutes now. My mouth's still on fire. Mostly coming down here, and the thing, it still burns afterwards. You can feel the burn coming up. Not good for a popper. If you're going to make like a jalapeno popper with it, no. My suggestion is, don't ever eat one. I don't know why the heck I ever decided to grow them in the first place, but yeah, don't.
They're pretty.
They're pretty. Don't let the chocolate look fool you. Okay, it looks like a little fluffy bunny with a freaking lion inside. Okay, so yeah, it's a lot hotter than I thought. That bothered me a lot more than the Reapers ever did. I don't know why. Maybe it's because it caught me unaware. I figured, I looked online. It's sweet like chocolate. It has a little sweet taste, but not like chocolate. Like an M80, like just with a vengeance. Like I said, it takes about 5 minutes. When I came in the house, bang, it hit me. I went right to the sink. Tried to do it without liquid at all, but when it stopped burning in my mouth, then my eyes started to water, my nose started to water, and Raluca gave me Edie's, the hot pupper's friend.